Welcome to Step 1 American English. This is Lesson 1.10. What are these? What are those? As always, you will listen to the vocabulary. Next, you will repeat the grammar. Then you will speak on your own. Let's begin. Towel. Shampoo. Soap. Razor. Mirror. Tissue. Candle. Now repeat. Listen to the grammar and repeat after the beep. What are these? These are towels. What are these? These are shampoos. What are those? Those are soaps. What are those? Those are razors. What are these? These are mirrors. What are these? These are tissues. What are those? Those are candles. Now it's your turn to speak. Look at the pictures and say the question. You will have 10 seconds. Good luck. What are those? What are these? Now speak again. Look at the picture. Listen to the question. Say the answer. You will have 10 seconds. Good luck. What are those? Those are shampoos. What are these? These are razors. What are those? Those are mirrors. What are those? Those are tissues. What are these? These are candles. That's it. Did you get them all correct? Congratulations. You're on your way to speaking perfect American English.